All right, crypto investors, welcome back here to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about what's going on with the market. Crypto investors, today is the day, and I'm waking up here. It's 6 a.m. in the morning here in Singapore. It is Wednesday, and you know what that means. We are getting ready to learn about what the Feds are going to do with interest rates. Now, I know here in the United States, many people of you watching me from over there, it's still Tuesday evening, but the Asian markets right now are getting ready to open up here on Wednesday, September 18th. And a lot of people starting to predict that we're going to get a big move here when it comes to interest rates. And I think people are speculating heavily. I think that's why the market is pumping a little bit. And Bitcoin is back up over 60,000, which is insane and insanely bullish here as token 2049 set to start today. We have been going strong here since we got into Singapore. It's been an amazing experience so far, just meeting people on this part of the world. It's amazing how big crypto is here. But in this video, I really want to highlight what's going on with the market, what types of things are moving right now, and what we can expect after we get a decision from the Feds. How much of this will impact the rest of 2024? How much of this will impact into 2025? And let's get prepared. Let's prepare ourselves to take full advantage of this current market environment and our portfolios. Let's make sure they're ready to roll. So with that being said, let's dive in, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button down below. Subscribe down below if you have not already. And the market is up right now, 3+%. Bitcoin at 60,200, up 4%. Outpacing Ethereum right now. Ethereum has just been slow and sluggish to get rolling, but eventually I think we'll see it turn for sure. We are seeing some altcoins move though against the grain. So Celestia, TIA continues to really impress here, up 16+% just in our last video. We talked about Celestia getting ready to crack that $5 mark. We said that it was looking like that was going to happen. Well, it has. We're now at $5.24. Immutable X, which is in the gaming area, infrastructure play, up 15%. SUI, up 14%, guys. One of my favorite cryptos right now, a newer type asset. And then in the AI world, look at this. BitTensor, Injective, and FET, Near Protocol. 4 of the top AI plays, all here in the top 40, basically. All up and moving here this morning in Singapore. And if we're taking a look at, this Fed decision and what's going on, so let's talk a little bit about this, because if we go to X, we have a lot of different things that are swirling right now. Is it going to be a 25 basis point move? Is it going to be a 50 basis point move? Well, this right here early this morning has come out. JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon says the Fed will cut rates by 25 to 50 basis points. But some of the analysts that recently spoke in the news, said that a 50 basis point move was on the horizon. This right here is kind of like exactly like Simon Dixon said. No shit, we know it's going to be 25 or 50, but what's it going to be? Well, a lot of the JP Morgan analysts are saying that, hey, this could be a 50 basis point move, that they're going to act fast here. Now, here's my take on all of this. I don't think this 150 basis point move is going to change everything, change things dramatically. I don't think that's going to happen. However, a 50 basis point, rate cut here today, if you're looking at this, it is the start, and I think we're going to see multiple cuts, and I think that's what we've got to watch for. Will we see multiple cuts this year in 2024? And I've been saying this for a while. We have an election coming up in November. As soon as we get past that and we have more clarity on whatever happens in the U.S. elections, and we have more clarity in terms of what the Feds are going to do, because not only are they going to cut rates here by 25 or 50 basis points, we're going to have more clarity after the meeting. What does Jay Powell say about the rest of 2024? And I guarantee you guys that there's going to be a ton of questions about this. Now, This is something I watch for quite a bit. The S&P 500 has officially hit a new all-time high and is now up almost 11% since the August 5th low. That's when we had that flash crash. The S&P 500 is officially up a whopping 19.5% year to date. This is the most resilient market of all time, coming from the Kobayashi letter here. Unusual Will says Fed to cut rates by 25 basis points with a soft landing expected, according to CNBC Fed survey. So it depends on which analyst or which outlet you listen to. Kobayashi letter here. Tomorrow's Fed decision will be historic. Today's Fed decision already, because it's Wednesday, 6:16 a.m. here. So we're already gearing up. So the Fed decision is going to come down at 2:30 a.m. for us, which is going to be wild. It's 12-hour time difference. I'm still getting used to it, but I'm actually on a good sleep schedule. The market has never been so uncertain about a Fed interest rate decision in at least 15 years. If the Fed cuts by 25 basis points, it would mark the largest surprise seen since 2008 by a wide margin. On the other hand, if the central bank cuts by 50 basis points, it would mark the largest surprise since 2009. The Fed has strived to avoid market surprises using its speeches and forward guidance since the early 2000s. Now, no matter the outcome, a significant part of the market will be disappointed. Has the Fed made a big communication error? So this is basically telling us that the market doesn't like being super surprised. They don't like this super uncertain outcome. They like clarity and certainty. This is coming in from another person on X. Fed will cut rates tomorrow, making it cheaper for the market to borrow money after 4 years. This is what I expect. Market instant pumps. Short-term holders and event trading. Retails take profits. Market dumps. Sell the news event. Dip and accumulation. People lose hope. Market becomes clean. We pump nonstop after inducing boredom. I think in crypto, it could be a sell the news event, and we get a dip, the final dip, and then it's time to accumulate one more time before we go upward and onward. That's just my growing sentiment. I feel like we're going to get one more opportunity. Now, don't bank on that. Dollar cost average into your favorite assets. Hopefully your bags are already packed, right? I'm not banking on one last final dip. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Anybody who sits there and tells you that they know, they don't. Okay? But if I had to guess, I think we're obviously getting a pump in the market right now. Okay? It's a nice opportunity to maybe take some profits on some smaller assets, smaller type trades, assets that you're not willing or wanting to hold long-term in this cycle. Maybe things you just got into recently. Maybe it's, some trading. By the way, if you're over on Margex, this could be a time if you're opening up positions on leverage over on Margex, which you can do, by the way. You can use all of their assets that they have listed as collateral. There's no KYC. Highly encourage you guys to check out Margex if you guys are interested in it. Leverage trading, obviously dip your toes in if you're new, but if you're a seasoned trader, you're going to love Margex and their system and their copy trading too. You can come over here and copy the best traders. So if you're trying to learn leverage, you're educating yourself, and you're looking for a platform, Margex is one of the best, guys. I'm telling you guys, I've been using this thing now for about 6 months. I'm slowly but surely getting better and better at leverage trading. And I don't open up crazy 100x leverage positions. I'm dipping my toes in, learning a little bit at each and every day. And I am opening up some, 3-5x leverage positions over on Margex. You can copy the best traders over here. Links down below to my Margex account if you're interested in checking it out. And if you want a trading indicator that actually works, that allows you to know when to get in and out of your top cryptos or swing trades, I've got XT Algo. This is my trading indicator, my company that I launched last August. We've got hundreds of people signed up with us. Definitely give it a look. Check it out. Links down below. But this is going to be big for all of crypto investors. Today is the day, and the Asian markets are waking up, and the market's pumping right now. We'll see what happens when Jay Powell takes the stage. Let me know what you guys think about all of this down below. Hopefully you guys like the analysis, like the information. If you do, let me know down below in the comment section, and also smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this. We'll see you guys in the next one.